Alright guys, so this is how to download videos from Facebook. Facebook does not have a download feature where you can download videos straight like how TikTok is. So you need a tool to download videos from Facebook. So the first step is we will open Facebook and then we will find a video that we want to download, a reel or something. So let's pick something here. Alright. We'll copy the link. After copying the link, we'll go back home. So we'll open Telegram. Once you get to Telegram, we are going to use a bot. And with this bot, I'll be dropping the link under the description so that you just tap on the link and then you start using the bot. Alright. So this is our bot. I'll be putting the link under the description. Make sure you check the description for this bot's link. We will paste our link here, which is the video. Then we click send. Alright. So this is our video right here. You will download it with no watermarks. There is no watermarks, Facebook or anything on it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Stop.